Absolutely. And, you know, some of my guys, they actually get cold when their guide comes in, or the hands start tingling because
Yeah,
the chakras in the palms have activated,
yeah,
especially if they're around someone that needs a bit of TLC or a little bit of healing or whatever it might
yeah,
be. Sometimes I get like a cobweb feeling over my face, like I've just
yeah,
walked through a soggy cobweb. So whatever you experience is unique to you. It doesn't matter if you're not getting the heat like Susie and I get. There's a ton of different ways your guides might make themselves known, like the pressure that you get on the crown of your head.
yeah,
But this is why you've got to sit and be still and call them in and register what happens to you so that
yeah.
you can tell when they're here and when they're not.